Hello, hello, hello. Grandma Prepper here. Hello. So I'm unboxing a couple of items that I got from the store, that I got from the mail. Excuse me. That is a tiny box. I wonder, I know what it should be, but I am not sure it's what I ordered, that I'm thinking of. So we will see as soon as I get this open. That is a tiny, tiny box. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, it is what I think it is. It's a new toilet paper holder. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. So it holds the toilet paper. It has the little, stick to put the toilet paper on so you can roll it. And then it has a paper towel, or a paper towel, a Kleenex box holder on the top. And it's in pieces, so I'm gonna have to put it together.
Okay, there you go.
I had put it on pause when Elsa came in. Hi, baby. Thank you, but no thank you.
How about you give that to Mommy and we don't play with Grandma's stuff?
Mommy, I'm helping.
No, baby. Benjamin, stop messing with your grandma. Hi, Leroy. You sure you're gonna get this done?
No. Oh, he went up to see Grandpa.
Okay.
I might have a chance.
Oh, that's super cute.
I agree.
It's very masculine without being overly feminine.
Yeah.
And I like that it has the little basket at the top.
That little basket for tissue. Okay, that one goes there.
I like that. I'm helping with the easy stuff.
Okay.
See, I got part of it built for you. All I had to do was put it in the thing.
Right, but that
Oh,
needs
no.
to go in last.
I need E. Well, I'll take your E when you're done. Look, I'm just trying to help here. I just need the E parts and then that'll be done, so. Which, by the way, are these parts right here? Go for it. See, whoever said I wasn't helpful? I just do the easy things. So how's it going? What you doing here exactly? I missed the whole entire intro.
I'm unboxing purchases.
Ah, and putting them together.
Well, it looked so easy, but it turns out it's not.
Well, this part was easy.
And in my ass.
You're welcome.
That's not together.
No thank you,
right.
baby. That's a no thank you. That's enough. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. That looks
I love
great.
how you say thank you instead of you're welcome.
distracted looking at the baby that split second of misfocus. I can see why this is frustrating you. And I'm really sorry that you always somehow find the hardest to build things. Hand me that. Oh, thank you.
Adventures with a Purpose.
I love that.
It's actually a YouTube channel that I absolutely love.
Excuse me.
Come here.
That was nasty. You just got water drool on me. Look, I know you're a dog and all, but you don't need to act like that, bud. Oh. You are cleaner than that.
Second one in.
Hey.
I got the second screw in and then handed it over to you so you could see. Oh yeah, it's not as easy as I thought.
Well, I knew it wasn't going to be as easy as I thought. Nothing ever is with these projects. You tell me 20-minute projects and I expect an hour and a half. You tell me an hour, I expect 3. See, I have gotten smart over the years.
Baby grandbaby, what are you doing?
I'm raising mayhem because I'm here now. And mommy doesn't want me doing it at home. So. Oh, hey! Whoa. Excuse me, destructive baby. At least let me save the destructions. Whatever.
You know how I know? You just sat on my tool.
I did?
Yes.
You're welcome. Would you like me to move?
Yes, please. Carefully.
You don't hurt me, Mira. Ah!
Really?
So, I'm excited.
Awesome. All right, there we go. All put together. Now, I'm going to put I have a screw loose now.
You got a few of those already. Is that just an extra screw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is going to go into my bathroom, my master bathroom. And the one that is in my bathroom currently is going to come down here to the downstairs bathroom because it's taller and it has a roller on it. And the one that's in the bathroom currently downstairs is going up to the hallway.
That'll be nice.
Yes.